This tutorial will show you how to enable cloud service apps for importing SRT files. You can use the same technique to import other types of files as well. You must have other apps like Dropbox or Google Drive installed. So first thing is you should tap on the subtitles in the SRT file option. This will take you to the most recent cloud service app. Tap Browse, and it will take you back and show you all of the location files that are present in the Files app. If you don't have anything present, you can tap on the Edit button in the top right corner of the Files app. This will show you a model where you can change and edit the locations present. Toggling on and off will show you the location that is missing in your device. If Dropbox is installed, you can toggle it here and it will show up in green. You can add it to the locations. If Dropbox is installed, you can toggle it green so that it will show up in the locations. Once complete, you can tap on the Done button in the top right and it will show up in the locations again. Then tap on the location and import the SRT file from it. In this case, iCloud Drive.